your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a packing orders with me video. So if you want to watch me pack and ship orders, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I have some orders that I need to pack, you know, for my business, Flirty Girl Lashes. And I decided to film this one with you guys because I haven't been filming the last couple orders that I've been packaging up for the past couple weeks. So I said, let me go on and jump on here and get this package video going because I know you guys like them. And on top of that, if you do not know, my birthday was yesterday. Whoop, whoop. And I'm having a birthday celebration sale. So if you have not checked us out, go on and check us out at Flirty Girl Lashes and pick you up some fire mink lashes for the low, because everything is 50% off, boo, until Friday, because we're celebrating all week long, okay? Well, really all month long, but my sale is going to be all week, 50% off. Everything, lashes, we have lash accessories like lash tools, I have lash glue, I have a bonding liner if you do not like glue, which works perfect, and I'm wearing that today. And I'm also wearing my lashes in boy bye because I'm feeling myself today, okay? Boy bye. But yes, we're gonna go on and get started and packaging these orders. Okay, so I have two orders that I need to fill. So for this first order, she got a lash applicator, a bonding eyeliner, and a lash adhesive. So I'm going to go grab those things. And luckily, they're all in the same drawer. And so I have all my accessories in the same drawer. Makes it so much easier. So this is the first order. And in the next order, she ordered our 25mm lashes in Seductive, Glam Goddess, and Desirable. So let me go get those. So she got Seductive, Glam Goddess, and Desirable is over here. Where is Desirable? I know I seen you. There you go. So we got Seductive, Glam Goddess, and Desirable. I do need to put them in some cellophane. So where is it? So I have my cellophane here because some of my I already had them pre-done. Some of them I don't. So hey, you live and you learn, right? Sometimes you can get them all pre-done. Sometimes you can't, because I do have quite a bit of stock of lashes. So we're just going to go on and get these packaged up. So we have our Glam Goddess. Get that off my finger. Then we have Seductive. Put that in here. Got that. And we need one more. We can put this back in my little cart. Yes, so nice and handy. Everything's where it needs to be. Super easy for me to get to. So I'm liking my setup for right now. But you guys know I do like switching things up. So we got their orders together. So I need 2 thank you cards. So I have my thank you cards right here, and I just need 2 of them. And there is a code on the back of the thank you card as well. So let's go on and package the first order with the bonding eyeliner. If you haven't picked yours up yet, I suggest you do because it works like magic. And my lash adhesive, if you're a lash adhesive girl, you're going to love this because it does last all day. The application is very thin and nice. It's not messy. Great. So definitely highly recommend picking those up if you have not. So I'm going to get these in here along with the lash applicator and 2 of my business cards. So if anybody asks, hey, where'd you get that from? She got some on deck. So there we go. That's the first order. and her thank you card. And let's package the next one. So each of my orders come with a spoolie and a micro brush cleaner so you can take care of your lashes to the fullest, because my lashes do last up to 30 days if they're taken care of properly. So yes, let me get these in here along with 2 business cards. Like I said, I always want to give them a business card and an extra, just so if anybody asks, where'd you get that from, they can go on and, you know, pass it out. So now that is all done. So let me get my bubble mailers, which they're on the cart too, at the bottom. So I have a big one for the bigger order, and I have a small one for the smaller order. So I'm going to fold up the packaging slip. And I usually fold the packaging slip with the card, and I have to fold this card because I don't have my small thank you cards right now. They'll be ready tomorrow. So we have the packaging slip and everything in there. I'm going to go on and put her items in the bag. Got stuck on my nail because I have some nail jewelry going on. Nail jewels, whatever you want to call them. So that's in there. So this label is a little too big, so I am going to cut it. So what I'm going to do is cut this label because it is a little too big. Cut some of this off. Alright. Just because it's a tad too big, but now that should be good. Alright, so we're going to... I apologize. My camera did cut off. I ran out of room on my memory card. But yes, these are both my packages. I got them filled and together, ready to drop off at the post office. These are my orders from yesterday on my actual birthday. But if you are into luxury mink lashes, or anything of that nature, go on and check us out at FlirtyGirlLashes.com and pick you up some luxury mink lashes for the low, okay? But that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.